This is my ePortfolio of Education 385, History, Culture, and Society. And for the first page, it's a little about myself. I give an introduction. I say what grade I'm in, my plans for after college, where I come from, the sport I play, and some of my experiences. And I've also provided pictures of myself, my family, and my friends. The next page is about the course description and course objective. For the course description, it is that this course focuses on understanding the structure and concepts of multidisciplinary social studies curriculum. Emphasis is given to the examination of a variety methods of materials utilized in social studies instruction. This course satisfies the ULB service learning requirement. And the objective is that for this class, this class is able to define and describe social studies along with identifying and applying California standards for history and social studies. And then I go into saying about how some of the assignments were given and how they gave us a better understanding of what this class is. And the next page, I've listed all the major assignments that we were given. I list all the major assignments, and then along with them, I also attached my assignments. And the first major assignment was the annual pacing schedule, which was on any grade level we were able to choose, and it was basically a plan of a yearly schedule to map out the year. And then for the twin text experience, it was basically a comparison on two textbooks or two books of their choosing. And then for the cultural learning experience, it was our personal experience of ethnicity, gender, and race. And we were able to visit a place. And then for the interrogated lesson plan, we were to prepare an interrogated social studies lesson. And for the unit plan, we were to choose one of the lessons we provided in our annual pacing guide and then write one lesson on that. And then the technology investigation was basically a project we were to do which met our understanding of the social studies methods. And then for the community service, we were to write about the service that we did for this class. And then